Hello, I am Rajkumar. I completed my M.Tech integrated course in software engineering, and I took Python full stack course in Pyspiders. I came to know this Pyspiders by my brother, who previously studied, who previously took a non-stack. By him, I get to know institute. While before joining this institute, I am little bit knowledge on the coding, but I am not full confidence on the coding. So I decided to join this Pyspiders. Ranjitha Ma'am is the one who is the trainer of my Python. So she gave me a quality teaching, and she helped me in all aspects that helped me in gaining more knowledge on Python. Like she conducted a weekly test, which helped me to know how much I'm getting day by day better in the Python. Like presentation, which helped me like how to answer for the question, and also it helped me in getting better in the communications. Like and thanks, this institute gave me the enough knowledge about the IT industries, how to get in the IT industries, how to get placed, and these things. It helped me. It grew me every day, becoming day by day better. And then and thanks to every trainers who gave me this knowledge and made me to place in the company. The package I got is like it's a it's a 35K per month, and it's like a 6 month of intern. The role I got is engineering and analytics.